Word up. My name's Dave. This is the very first transmission of the Rambling Hobo. Today is February 4th, I believe. I don't even know. I'm out in the woods. We had a rogue snowstorm and freezing temperatures that have come out here. But this is awesome because this is what I've always dreamt of, and, well, this is kind of like my dream. Dick Prenneke was a hero of mine, and a couple other people that were just renegade, rambling people. And they realized they didn't really fit into the fabric of society, and they decided to go out and experience what their heart was taking them to. So this year, my goal, I have two goals. Well, I have a lot of goals, but the real goal is to get off of disability. Most of the things I was diagnosed with, they were just diagnoses, and most of it was because I didn't fit into this system. So I went through big, heavy bouts of depression, alcoholism, drug addiction. I slept with way too many ladies, and I found myself in the gutter many a times. But when I was a child, I was just pure light, absolute pure. No bad energy, no nothing. It's been very difficult. I went to California, and I got to play some music, and just kept chasing my dreams. And as I was making all of these steps, I was documenting, just like everything that I've done before. And I developed this idea for my third and final autobiographical film called Riding the Vibration of a Miracle, which I think sums up kind of my existence. But just like everything else, you're going to hit some speed bumps along the way. So I hit some speed bumps, and I had to take a step away from it. So this year, I'm taking the year off from editing the film, and I've realized I need to focus on this absolute moment right now, and I want off of the disability. I'm living off of $1,150 a month, which just isn't cutting it. And I know with the gifts that I have, if I can get over my fears, I'll be able to connect with the people that want to hear my message. My family doesn't care. And I'm tired of being the scapegoat. I'm tired of being the victim. I'm tired of being the person that causes them to be the victims. And at 44 years old, it's time for me to take care of myself. So that's what the Rambling Hobo is going to be about. This is just basically the introduction. I will be putting out a video each week. It'll be here on the YouTube, and I'm going to find a way that you guys can help support me financially, so I can get off of this tiny little rope that's just enough to hang myself, called disability. So welcome to the Rambling Hobo. I'm really excited to share all sorts of different things, and we're going to do this together. I'm able. You're able. We're all cape-able. So let's put our capes on and let's do this. Let's make some radical. And we will get this ball rolling. So thank you for watching the first episode of The Rambling Hobo. And the next one's coming next week. So enjoy yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And keep up all the radical. Pretty cool, huh? Check it out. Potatoes, mint, peach tree, spinach, or cabbage or something, strawberry. I think these are daffodils, maybe tulips, garlic. This is an avocado tree from a plant that was in the compost, or a seed that was in the, oh, it's bright, a seed that was in the compost. Another apple tree from seed. Potatoes. Currant. But yeah, I'm gonna go surfing for real now. I'm just making myself go. Taking the 1964 too. It's cold. I feel like an Astro man that hasn't been started in 4 years. But it's okay. Got this. It was like not cold for a long time, and then it just hit. But I've been cleaning out the cabin, so all the dust is getting to me. So the ocean's gonna clean me out, which is pretty cool. I mean, it cleans out all this jazz. Cleans your whole system out, so you feel like a sponge. You know, it's like salt water. It's like cleaning out the barn.